Today's question comes from a finance coach. How do we do coupons if we wanted to offer a discount code or have a limited time offer, something like that? Coach Accountable doesn't exactly do coupon codes. It just does things a little bit differently. So what you would do is take your offering and make a clone of it. So for example, if I'm taking Build That course and instead of the $485.50, I am going to give a $50 discount for people who were referred by a friend or something like that. I would clone this offering, say yes, and just change the price of it to $435.50. So that gives me my discount. And then what I'll do is say, maybe I'm only allowing 10 people this discount, and for $50, that's of course, maybe I would do more than that or whatever. But I could also say from now to the end of the month, you can get this at a $50 discount. So I can say it'll no longer be available on July 1st at 12 a.m. Then you get to say what happens when people click on the link. Like, let's say one of your affiliates put that out there and someone clicks on the link. What should happen? In my opinion, you should always have something happen. So they should see something. Otherwise, it's kind of a broken link. So you want them to see something else. So I had this when I was doing my beta program. I allowed only 10 people in, and then I used this. This is currently full. We'll launch additional groups once this beta program is finished. Or you can do it almost sort of like how Eventbrite or the other bookings of event apps can do it, where you'll have like early bird pricing. Hey, early bird is sold out. Click below for the other options. Hey, middle tier is sold out. Hey, last minute is sold out. Stay tuned for our next one. And you can add whatever information in here once you've hit that date or once you've hit that number, and you can do both. So then, as you know, each offering has its own link. So you would, for each of these offerings, they have and here's my discounted version. I would definitely name it something different too, so I'm not sending out the wrong one, but I would just use this link. Hey, for anyone who's interested in this $50 discount, this is the link versus this is the full price link. So you'll just have two different links. So rather than people having to try to remember a discount code or type it in properly or anything like that, you just make sure that you use the right link. And other people sometimes ask, what happens, how do I put this on my website? You probably wouldn't put your discounted version on your website. Typically, you'd probably just use that in your email list and things like that. Have the full price one on your website. And same thing with regular offerings. Just use the embed/link button here. This is your link. And this is if you wanted to embed it on your website. So again, how to do a discount is to clone your offering, change the price, and send that one out. And it is recommended that you put a limit on that and have something in place for when that limit is reached. Let me know what you thought about this one.